Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today, our prep item this week, coffee filters. They're not just for coffee, guys. I'm fixing to make a cup of coffee, but that's not all you can do with these little bitty paper caps here. If it got really bad, you could put this over your nose like that and use it as a filter. If you didn't need to breathe dust particles or chemicals or whatever, you can tie this with something around your face and use it as a filter. One item. The other thing is a quart jar. One of these paper filters, good old rubber bands. Another prep item this week, you get 2 for 1. Put the filter over it, put a rubber band around it. Your stuff in there can go in the fridge. It can go wherever you need it. You don't need caps. It keeps stuff out of it. Or you can sit it on the cabinet if it's something that is just dehydrated. A great way to use coffee filters. You can use it to strain things. Like if you're doing juices or something and you need to use it, you can strain a lot of things with it. So, guys, I've got a supply here. And this is just part of them. We buy coffee filters and stick them up because you never know, you can't have too many coffee filters. And if you keep coffee handy, I'm going to tell you, if you enjoy a good cup of coffee. Coffee filters come in 2 sizes. 1 to 4 cups, which is the little minis that I use, and the 8 to 12. These will go across bowls and things like that. Your small bowls. So just another way to not use so many pieces of saran wrap and tin foil and all that kind of stuff, or aluminum foil. Use coffee filters. So guys, that's my prep item this week, coffee filters. And prep item number 2, rubber bands. Store up, guys. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.